Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Time Machine backups on macOS Ventura. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate Time Machine backups on macOS Ventura, start by clicking on the Apple menu located in the upper left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select System Settings. In the System Settings window, scroll down and click on General. Next, find and select Backup. Now, click on Time Machine in the Backup settings. Turn on Time Machine by toggling the switch to the right. You will now need to select a backup disk. Click on Select Backup Disk. A list of available disks will appear. Choose your desired disk for the backup. If required, you can also select multiple disks. Once you've made your selection, click on Use Disk. If prompted, you may need to enter your administrator password. After this, Time Machine will automatically prepare your selected disk for backups. You can adjust backup options such as the frequency and exclusions. To do this, click on Options. Here, you can add items to exclude from backups. After making changes, click Save to apply. Time Machine will now start making regular backups. You can monitor the progress of your backups in the Time Machine settings. That's it. You have successfully activated Time Machine backups on macOS Ventura. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.